Yeah. You know, payback's a bitch. When a fuller don't work, it gets sprayed very coatedly. See? See? Right there. That's the Recon Warriors. That's how we do it. When the Recon don't work, it gets sprayed with mud. I think he's just mad because I sprayed his ass at my cousin's house. Good job. No, and it gets hit a little bit too. Hold on, let me see this. Recons, it don't work, look like that in the end. Oh shit. Hey!